Hey teachers, we wanted to go over some resources for ebooks since we have many online learning students, but also for our face-to-face students. As you know, we will only be having weekly class visits to the Media Center. And so I know that many of you have said, I've got ferocious readers, eager beaver readers. And so in order to supplement those weekly visits to the Media Center, we have updated the Media Center webpage on the school website, and we are including several resources for ebooks. And the first one I wanted to go over today is Get Epic. So if you have not set up an account yet, please make sure you have. We are definitely encouraging each teacher to set this up. And we've also gone ahead and included parent information to be expecting the class code. So let's go ahead and visit the website. And if you have not set up yet, you would just go into login, or even if you have. And we're going to be under students and educators. And go ahead and use your Google account to log in. Tell it which one you are. And you're going to see your homepage as an educator. The cool thing about this resource is that it is free from 6 a.m. to 3 p.m. After the school day hours, each student has 2 hours of free reading per week. So it's a Sunday to Saturday schedule. So you can assign material for students at home as well, outside of the 6 a.m. to 3 p.m. hours. But again, make sure it's something, they only do have 2 hours free outside of those hours. So make sure you've set up your account. Once you have your account, you do have a class code that you're going to be sharing out with your students and parents. You can easily post this into your Google Classroom. There's login instructions as well. We will have those login instructions for laptops and tablets on the Media Center webpage. Once you have got the students involved, one of the cool things you can do is if you want to assign text, or if you just want students to be able to go into Epic themselves, if you click the Explore tab, you can see how they've kind of got it arranged. First, they're always going to have kind of their recommended reads. You're going to want to change it to whatever grade level you're going to be working with. And so, if you are in second grade, but you may have some that are still on like a lower reading level, you can easily assign first grade text to even your second grade students, or even advanced readers, third and fourth grade text. So you may want to check out all the grade levels there. We do have Lexile that you can see it by Lexile level. And then one of the cool things we like is that for our early learners, we really like that they have the read to me option. And when the book is reading to the student, it highlights the text. So it's a very good feature for them. They also have videos that they offer in supplement to the book, some of the original videos, and then things that will go along with the books. And then they also offer audiobooks for our audio learners. So take a look at all the different resources they have. And then once you're ready to assign students certain text, you can easily go into your students. And then I don't have any yet, but once you have students in your roster, you can actually assign books individually, or if you want to assign to an entire class. When you click assignments, it gives you all the instructions here on how to actually assign books. But if you know that if you've got your reading group set up, you can assign, a certain book to certain groups or to just certain students. So that's pretty helpful. They also have quizzes that they have created. You may want to check those out. Again, I have not personally looked into these quizzes, but it's easy for you to look through and see the questions and stuff that they have for them and see if it's something that you might want to include in your EPIC assignments. If you have any questions about EPIC, please let me know. Again, we are encouraging all teachers to have an account. And if you, again, have any questions, I'm going to go over Sora and also our public libraries ebook resources next. But if you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.